Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and you're going to search for Eclipse Installer IDE. Go ahead and hit enter. When the best results should be eclipse.org. Go ahead and open that up. And then you're going to go ahead and select the appropriate download, whether you're on Mac OS or Windows. And then select the download button. It's about 111 megabytes in size. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run the file. You can minimize or close out of the web browser at this time. And then you would go ahead and select the appropriate download you're looking to install. So like I said in the beginning, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You could also do for enterprise or other options here as well. Go ahead and select the appropriate download here and then select install. You want to accept the installer agreement. And then once it's done, you can go ahead and launch it. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.